Hey y'all, I'm Elisa, the Scrappy Wife behind scrappywife.com, and today I have an unboxing for you. I just ordered a bunch from scrapbook.com and thought I would share with you. Heads up, today is May the 1st when this video goes up. It is National Scrapbooking Day, and scrapbook.com has some fantastic deals. So make sure to check out the links below. Go see what they got because it's a great time to order. All right, if you want to see what I got, stay tuned. Let's go. All right, first of all, the whole reason behind this order, the whole reason I decided to order was to get the new Distress Oxide color. If you have not seen it yet, it is called Salvaged Patina, and it is a beautiful, beautiful teal turquoise color. You are going to love it. I'm super excited. I ordered it in the ink pad, and then I ordered it in the spray, the oxide spray, because those are the two mediums that I use most often. But of course, they also have it in the regular distress color. They have it in the glaze. They have it in all the things. So make sure you go check out. And I do believe these are on sale right now. So the new color is called Salvage Patina. All right, besides the Distressed Oxide, I was really interested in 3 different scrapbooking lines that I was just loving. And the interesting thing is that they are pretty different. The first is from Vicki Boutin, and it's called Color Study, and it is gorgeous. There are so many beautiful bright colors. I got these bulldog clips that are this iridescent color with all of the rainbows. I love these. I thought they were just adorable. I pretty much picked up all I could for this line. So these are the embellishments. So the paper die cuts. Look at how cute. Look at the paint can that's on here and the paint brush. I love it in the camera. I could have gotten 2 packs of this. I feel like I was so excited for these stickers. I'm going to use them all over my journaling. I'm really pumped. So those are the ephemera pieces. And then I also got these are embellishments. This is the different embellishments with the gold foil. So none of these are gold foil. They're all just paper. This is a mixture of some vellum and gold foil and some larger pieces as well. And just look, you got this, create yourself. So excited. It's just so pretty, you guys. The colors do all the things. Everything's going to be all right. The colors have me so excited. I cannot wait to open this up. This was just like calling my name. I feel like it was designed for me. And then I picked up a couple of these. These are the layered floral stickers, and they have a little bit of dimension to them. Let me go ahead and open this up so I can see it a little bit closer. Yeah, they have a little bit of dimension, but not a lot. And they have this threading detail of gold thread that I thought was beautiful. And look how pretty this piece is. I mean, keep all of the packaging, especially with this particular line. I think it is so gorgeous. So I got a couple of those so I can mix and match those pieces. Here is the vellum sheet I bought, you guys. Like, come on, with all the little pie chart shapes. Oh, it's so gorgeous. It has a beautiful texture. It has this gold foil that is so pretty. Oh, I love that. I bought several of the sheets separately, and then I also got the full pack. I just knew some of them I was going to want multiples. So here are the cut apart cards. There is a color on the back, this yellow plaid, but I will be using this side. I love the cut apart cards. Create your own beautiful world, making things happen. Oh, so pretty. I love it. I'm maybe most excited about this line. This one was like calling my name. Make your own happy. Any day spent with you is my favorite day. Love it. Look at this. So yes, I bought these specifically for the cut apart cards because I just thought it was so pretty. This one's called Canvas. This one is Collection. Then we have, this one's called Create. And you know, I love both sides of this. I love stars. And then you knew that I was going to love these rainbows. Like, obsessed with the rainbows. So pretty. And then these pencils, like seriously, this one's called Doodles. And then look at these, how fun to punch out for your planner. That's all I'm saying. This is Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. It has all the days of the week in all these different colors. So fun. And then here is the paper pad. And I believe these are double-sided. And it's going to be some of the ones that I showed you just now, plus some additional ones. I just knew I was going to use up some of the paper. So I ordered some individually and then went ahead and decided to order the whole paper pad because this collection, you guys, I feel like I said before, just calls my name. Art for everyone. Look at the palette. Oh, the color chart. So pretty. Oh, I love it. Look at this one. These are just so inspiring. The colors, it screams summer. It screams creativity to me. I think it is so beautiful. Look at the blues. The florals are pretty. I am loving. Look at this one. This looks like that Erin Condren pattern. So cute. And the confetti washi tape. And look at those florals. I love it. So pretty. This one is so pretty with the ombre. Some cut apart tags. I love cut aparts. Those are some of my favorites. So, and then you have a repeat. So I am so excited about this line. I cannot wait to start playing. That is the Vicki Boutin Color Steady line. I'll leave a link to the whole line so you can find it pretty easily below. Check it out. It is a winner. All right, so switching gears, I also picked up several pieces from the Garden Party line by Maggie Holmes. And I always love Maggie Holmes. Her stuff is just so beautiful, and it also speaks to me just in a different, softer, feminine way that I love. When I ordered the paper pieces, the ephemera was sold out. So that's something I'm still waiting to get. But I ordered the washi tape. And mostly I really loved this floral down here that was black and white. And then this gold leaf right here. Super pretty. And then look at the ticket one. Was so excited about the washi tape. So got the washi tape. I got the sticker book, which this is on clear sticker paper. So fun for spring. I love the black and white. I like the sizing of these. So great. Some alphas. This is not on clear. And this one is, that looks clear. This is not clear. This one I think is not clear. Nope. Kind of clear. Translucent. You make today better. So great. Look at all of those desserts. So fun. And these are on paper. Such a great little sticker book. So that's the Garden Party sticker book. And then I picked up some papers to coordinate. This one is called Blossom in Blue. And I loved the ledger. So pretty. This one is called Garden Stroll. You could easily cut these apart. And then the bows were super cute. Cottages and Greenhouses. Oh, I love it. New paper always gets me so excited to play. Honeybees. I thought this was super unusual. I really like it. This will be great for a spread with my boys. So I tried not to do super feminine stuff for them all the time. Sometimes they get it anyway, but freshly picked, you guys. Look at how beautiful. And spotty dots on the back, but look at that. And then this one, pinks and purples, pink rosebuds. So stinking cute. And you have the branding strip on the back. I love it. This one's called Countryside. Oh, that's cool. Then we have Gingham Grove. Oh, look at that in the blue. Pastry Party. This would be great for a birthday spread. I love it. And Happy Growing. So awesome. So that is some of the Garden Party collection. I did not pick up all of that collection. Like I said, I do want to pick up the paper pieces, but there were some papers that I didn't get, which is fine because this will last me a good long while. So this is Garden Party by Maggie Holmes. All right, and the other line, the last line that I purchased was from Pink Fresh Studios, and it is called Keeping It Real. I thought it was just such a clever line. It's great for everyday documenting in the summer and the spring. It says real life, everyday details, just relax, not a good day. I like how it has some negatives right here. Real, not perfect. Pure chaos, today was tough, and it's still beautiful, but you're telling an authentic story. Perfection is totally overrated. Loved the paper pieces, so excited for that. I also picked up, now this was funny because usually I don't pick up the alphas or puppy stickers, but I really liked it. I loved this one that said seriously, adulting, fail, good vibes, oh, perfectly imperfect. So cute. I loved these phrases. Oh, I thought they were really adorable. And then I liked the size of these alphabet stickers. They're so tiny. Perfect for doing my memory keeping in my planner. This is going to come in really handy. So I bought the puffy phrases and the puffy alpha, then the cardstock stickers. Loved all of these. Dessert first. Life's hard, coffee helps. For reals. I love it. Making it up as I go. Also my mantra. Sarcasm is my love language. Oh, I just love the phrases on here and how bright and fresh the colors are. Oh, everything is going to be okay. I love it. Love it. So these are the cardstock stickers. And then I bought the full paper collection. So let me just flip through it for you. This one is called Deep Breath. Very pretty. Big Mood. I thought these would be really pretty to cut apart. Oh, I love that. Except I love the rainbow in the back, so now I'm not sure. Look at this one, Adulting. Great phrases. Oh, so pretty. Tiny Victories. A Little Chaos. I love these circles. I love this whole look. A little dose of reality. So pretty. Here's the cut apart sheet. Reality check. Ice cream is cheaper than therapy. No one has it all figured out, one day at a time. So pretty. This one is called Real Life. Again, some great pieces that you could cut apart and layer. Daily Grind. You have your coffee, your phone. I love all the icons. And that's a beautiful yellow. And Deep Breath again. So then you have repeats. So it's like the full collection times 2, which is awesome because then you don't have to pick which side you love the most. You can use both, which I'm excited about. So yes, that was the full paper pack that I purchased. All right, so here is my full haul. This was a fun one because it had so many pretty paper products and I cannot wait to start creating. As a reminder, all of this is linked below. A heads up, those are affiliate links. They do not cost you anymore, but it does go a long way to supporting this channel. So I really appreciate it when you're able to shop those. Make sure you check out scrapbook.com this weekend because they do have some great sales going on that you're not going to miss, especially on storage, on a lot of the new paper collections. Check it out. Plus for today only, May 1st, there is an extra code that you can use. So make sure you check out their website for that code. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider hitting that subscribe button as well as the bell notification button. A huge shout out to my YouTube members. You guys are awesome. I'm so excited about our little growing community. We are having so much fun. And if you are interested in finding out more about YouTube membership, make sure you click that join button below and see what kind of perks you can get as a Scrappy YouTube member. I hope that you have a fabulous day. And as always, keep it creative.